Hi guys. So today we are going to have a look onto this how to download and install MongoDB. Okay. So now the one of the trending non-SQL things is MongoDB, right? So you have to first see how to download and install. A little bit tough, but you need to know. If you know, then you will understand that how to install it. So let's have a look into how to download and install MongoDB. So I'll direct you step by step instruction. You just follow with me. So you can download that and install it and you can work on into the MongoDB, right guys? And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment sections. Not a problem. And first, let me go to this. So first, this first step of this MongoDB is you have to go to the server. So mongodb.com is there. In that, you have to go and you just go ahead. So how do you go ahead here? So here you have to on the Google. Just go to the Google. Just select the MongoDB community server. So when you initially step into MongoDB community server, what will happen to the thing is, you guys have a look here. When you initially step into the MongoDB server, when you type here MongoDB slash download, you have to type, okay? Slash download. Initial. First time when you guys go into the MongoDB community server slash down. So you can see that they will ask Atlas will be asking your password. You need to give username, password, everything. After that, you have to verify also. After that, you have to verify. I'll show you one more place where I'll show you this another place where you guys see here. Here you type MongoDB slash download. Mm, you can see here. First time when you download, you have to give that. So I already given the Google account over here. After giving the Google account, this Google account, this page will come. So you have to give your username, password, email, and all these things, and click that, and then you go to your mail and verify it, and then you come back mongodb dot slash. It will come like this, and like this you need to this page you have to come. Here you have to click on the download. You have to click on the download. After clicking on the download, it will go to your downloads on this here. So here you just double click this. Here you just double click this. So it will take you to the first step of the pages. So it depends on your server speed also, your internet speed also, how it comes. So it will take, you can have a look onto that. It is taking a lot of time, guys. MongoDB installation, you guys, I need patience also. If it is too much, your internet is too high, then it's good. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time, guys. Because we need to install two things in MongoDB, that is server and the client. The first step is we have to go with the server. This is the server which we are installing. Next, you have to accept. Next, you have to say complete. You have to click on the complete and say run on service and all those things you use it. And next, click on next and click on the installation. And this is the installation part. It will take time for you to install. You have to patiently wait. And otherwise it will You have to wait. Server is one of the little bit difficult thing which has to get it installed. Once the server is installed, then client is easy. Okay, once the installation part is done, then you can go ahead and work on your MongoDB. You just wait patiently, guys. It will take some time. So you can see in between it'll ask you the permission. You have to click yes onto the permission, and you have to go ahead keep on doing with this. The permission you have to give yes. Otherwise, it won't install it. You have to say yes onto the permission. You see it is getting installing. So once it gets started around 75%, it'll be easy for you guys. It is installing, guys, because we put the complete setup now. It will take some time. It will take a little bit of time. Just wait. Meanwhile, if you guys have anybody wants any training regarding to the MongoDB or any doubts, clearance assignments or anything regarding to the MongoDB of your guys, you can put the comment on the comment sessions, and even through the comment session, if you wanted, you can contact me, and then I will be helping you guys. So everything trainings I will take fees, and regarding to any doubt clearing things and all, I don't take fees. You guys can ask me anything. So you guys can connect with me through the comment, and then future if you wanted, you can any technology if you want, you can connect with me, guys. Once the server is done, then we'll go with the client. So MongoDB has two parts, server and the client. Only one part doesn't work for MongoDB. You have to install server, then only the client will work. Otherwise, client alone won't work. Okay. That's why I'm putting the video for you guys. Watch the video and do it as the same way. So make sure that when you install, if you guys are getting, to sign in, you can put your Google account sign in, and then you can verify the email, and then you can come back and install this. Otherwise, they don't allow you to install it. That also you have to put it on your mind. Okay, guys, first you have to sign in. sign in with your Google account, then verify the mail, and then you come back. If you are not verifying or not signing, then it won't allow you, server or client also, it won't allow you. MongoDB won't allow you to install. You wait patiently. It's getting installed. Patience is very much important over here. And while installation time, don't interact anything here and there because installation you have to leave it like that. Once if you get installed, you guys can go ahead and do anything, right? If it get corrupted, it will be little difficult. Wait. It will coming up. Every installation will take time, guys. Just go ahead. There are other few videos also I have put it there, like regarding all the installations, interviews, and those students, those people who really wanted to know how to do certain things. I am not putting any trainings on that. Based on the programmings I do, based on the things I do. So certain programs, certain things, and how to do all the things. If you guys also having problems on that, you can comment me on the comment section so that I will also have a look on and then I'll put it for you guys. It is all they already told, no, it will take some time. Just wait a minute. So you have to wait. You have to wait. There's no option without waiting. You have to wait. Still listen on the line there only. It is like installation is taking a lot of time. We have to wait patiently. See guys, it has been installed. It is waiting, and here it is being MongoDB Combus is being installed. It will launch once it is done. It is saying here. So guys have to wait patiently here. So you can see the MongoDB Combus was already installed here. It has been open for you guys. The connection is open for you guys here. Combus. Here, Compass connection is already there. Actually, this itself is now it's needed. We don't need a shell. So, client is not necessary that much. Already the connection is installed, and you can see it is saying connect. You can connect over here. This is the cloud thing where you can connect here, and you can do your things also because it's not properly installed. Just starting the services. Once it gets the service, everything gets started, you can do that. This is also enough for you to do the things, creation of the day. We don't say in MongoDB as tables, there like that. We say document like that, no? So like that. So that if you want to create any document or anything, it's this is enough for that. Actually, is enough. But still, if you install the client as a shell, it will be very good for you. I'll show you the client also. Don't worry. I'll show you the client also. You guys can use it whichever you like. So Combus is installed here. Queries, data modeling is done. This is good. See, it is done. My installation is done and it has been set finished. Okay. So right now my server installation is done. You guys have a look here. It is been done and it is Combus is already open. This Combus is enough for us to use it. You can use the connect so that the connect will be connecting to your local host. It's like a local host where even you can do anything, whatever you wanted here. You can see that Combus is there connecting to the thing. You can see here things are coming here. So now you want, you can create a database and do it also. Here also you can do it. So another way you can do it is you can go ahead to the next part is I'll show you. Is the server part we install. Normally when I teach, I say students it's better to install after the server. It is good to install shell also. It is good. So for the shell to install, what you have to do, you have to download the shell. So the same way, how do we download the shell? The same way we will go here to the community server only. To the community, this is community server, right? Now you guys, sorry, this here you down, you see MongoDB shell download, it is there. In the community server, if you go, community, if you go, I can show you here also. Here, if you see here only you can see tools, MongoDB shell is there. You can see here the MongoDB shell is there. Just click on the MongoDB shell. Once you have already given the Google account, this is enough for you to do that. In MongoDB shell, zip is necessity. MSI is not no needed, but you need to check your platform where what you are. It's always good that you have to have a platform. If you have an MSI, you use MSI. If you don't have an MSI, SIP also it is fine. Whichever you feel comfort. Shell point, you can use anything, whatever you want. So I use SIP here and I can say download. I can say download here. And you can see that goes to the download point. It is getting download. I told you, right? The client is easy for you to download. Client is easy for you to download. It is getting download. This compass is already this denotes that your server is working properly. Now you see my download is done. Now when I click on this, you can see that the download is done this way, right? So just click on the zip shell. Either you can go here and do it, or you can here you can see it, little more are there. Let it finish fully and you get installed. Now click on this. You can see here. First you have to extract this. Extract it to the folder wherever you want it. Better you extract it. I'm just extracting to my E folder or wherever you like you extract it. I have a MongoDB folder is there. I will just do it here. I say MongoDB shell. It's better to always give the name in a meaningful name which you whenever next time when you see that it will be easy for you. MongoDB shell. Okay, now I extract that, extracting to the point there. So now it is done, guys. So after the extraction, what you have to do is you have to connect shell to the server. So before connecting the shell to the server, what you have to do is you have to start the server. Start the server. So how do you start the server? First thing, you have to see that where is your MongoDB got installed. Server has to install. So you go here and see that mostly it will be E colon here in this, if you see system app. So you can see that here mostly you gave the link, right? So where you have been given the link, there only MongoDB is installed. Here you see, right? MongoDB got installed, right? So you can see here that MongoDB 2 point on this one. In that you can see this MongoDB things are there. So what you have to do is you have to click on this bin. So this one here, if you go here and see that MongoDB bin, there you can see MongoDB is there. So you have to click on MongoDB. Here it doesn't come. So it is there, guys. Here you see, right? MongoDB. This file you will need it. So then what you have to do is, guys, you have to first copy this link. Click on the link. Copy this link. Now open your command prompt. You just go ahead and open your command prompt. Just type on the search just CMD. Just type CMD on your search. Okay. Now here, what my drive is E drive, so I change my drive to there. Whichever drive is yours, you need to change your drive. Better change, and you have to put CD, and I copy this thing, so it will be like, oh, my drive is C. So it will be copying there. So there you can see there is a file called Mongod. So you have to type here Mongod. You have to type Mongod. So you can see the server got started. This is how the server has to be started. For the shell, it is mandatory that the server has to be started. So once the server started, it will come like this. You can see here like this. It is starting the server. So it won't take not even 1 minute. It will start the server. So it is started the server. Now what you have to do is you have to connect with the shell. So you have to connect with the shell. So the server is started. As long as you are working with the shell, your server should be on. It has to be start. If you are not working, you can stop the server. So now let's go and connect now. So how to connect this? You again, where are you download? You are unzipped. We unzipped our thing, right? I put it in the MongoDB, guys. MongoDB here. So you have to go to your current working directory. There you can see here, my things are there. You should go to the bin. So this is the exe file which I needed for it, right? So make sure this is the file I needed, right? So now the server is started and it is get ready for the stuffs. So now what you have to do, you have to open another command prompt, guys. You have to open another command prompt and you need to pick up the location. So what is your location? This is the location yours, right, guys? This is the location. Double click on the bin where your shell got unzipped. You just go to the location and then you come here, CD, and put your things. Here it will be coming. So you have to change your drive if your drive is different, otherwise it won't come. Now here you have to type here MongoDB. So here what is my thing is Mongo SH. So remember, no spelling mistake, guys. Remember, no spelling mistake. MongoSH. So make sure that it is at the same name. Mongosh. Remember, guys, that's the thing. Now press enter. You will get connected. Now you can see here. See, guys, it got connected. So you see my MongoDB got connected and my server, you see here, it says that is already connected. As long as you are working on the MongoDB, don't forget, don't stop your server. The server, it's mandatory, guys. So it's necessary that you need the server has to open. If your server is not opening, you cannot work on the MongoDB shell. This is how you can create your database, you can create your documents, everything, whatever you want, you can do it. And even through the Compass also, you can do it, all the things. This is the cloud thing where you can do through this also. And this is how you have to do your MongoDB. I hope you guys understood about how to install the MongoDB properly. Even if you don't understand anything and if you have a doubt on the stuff, please comment on the session. Obviously I'll help you guys out. Okay. So happy learning, guys. Bye. Take care. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.